Economic order quantity is a formula that helps businesses determine the ideal order size that minimizes total inventory costs. These costs usually come in two forms: ordering costs and holding costs. Ordering costs are expenses every time you place an order, like admin, shipping, supplier fees. Holding costs are expenses of storing stock, like rent, insurance, depreciation, and risk of obsolescence. The goal of EOQ is to balance these two costs so that you spend the least amount of money possible on managing inventory. This is the EOQ formula. EOQ equals square root of 2DS divided by H. Here, D is demand of units per year. S is ordering costs per order, and H is holding costs per unit per year. This formula calculates the optimal order quantity that balances the two types of costs. For example, if annual demand is 10,000 units and ordering cost is $50 per order and holding costs is $2 per unit per year, according to the formula, the EOQ would be approximately 707 units per order. So the best order size for this company is 707 units per order. Why EOQ matters? EOQ is important because it reduces excess inventory, prevents frequent stockouts, helps plan cash flow more effectively, and creates efficiency in ordering and warehousing. Whether you are running a small retail shop or a multinational corporation, EOQ is a tool that helps you make smarter decisions. To better understand EOQ, let's look at a graph. On one side, you have ordering costs. They go down as you order in larger batches. On the other side, you have holding costs. They go up as you hold more inventory. The point where these two costs intersect at the lowest total cost, that's your EOQ. EOQ is powerful, but it's built on some assumptions. The assumptions are that demand is constant and predictable, lead time is fixed, lead time meaning delivery time, ordering cost and holding costs are known and stable, and there are no bulk discounts in the offers. In reality, these assumptions don't always hold true. Demand fluctuates, suppliers delay shipments, and costs change. That's why EOQ is a guide, not a perfect answer. Over the years, EOQ has been adapted into different models. EOQ with quantity discounts, that adjusts the formula if suppliers offer bulk discounts. Product order quantity, that is useful for companies that produce and consume inventory at the same time. Multi-item EOQ, for businesses managing multiple products at once. EOQ can still be used in a lot of places, like a shoe shop using EOQ to avoid overstocking seasonal items, or an online electronics seller using EOQ to balance warehouse costs and shipping fees, or even a car factory using EOQ to manage steel orders efficiently. If you want to use EOQ effectively, you have to collect accurate data on demand, ordering costs, and holding costs. You have to recalculate EOQ regularly, especially if demand changes. You have to combine EOQ with demand forecasting for better results. And you have to use software or spreadsheets to automate calculations. Economic order quantity is one of the oldest and most reliable tools in inventory management. It helps businesses save money, reduce waste, and plan smarter. But once again, remember that EOQ is not a magic formula. The real power comes when you use it alongside modern supply chain practices. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more supply chain and business strategy videos, and drop a comment below answering what is your biggest challenge with inventory management. See you in the next video.